This new Walmart AI tool is like having an employee that works 24/7 for you, plus they're free. Can't beat that. You can see that tool definitely helped us get to $13,000 in sales for one of our clients, right? And this is within 30 days, which is not too bad. But it does take time utilizing these tools and implementing them. And the tool is called Optiwise.ai. There is a link in the description. I don't get any commission because it is a free sign up tool, but you can click sign up for free right here. And you can see the plans and pricing on the next page. And you can see it is $0 a month, and you can get a pretty solid amount of things with that $0 a month, right? Now, once you do and you log into everything, what you're going to see is a page that looks like this. Now, the big AI tool, once you sync your actual Walmart account, all of a sudden they have an AI and it's called Olivia, right? Now, the maker of Optiwise used to work at Walmart. So he actually has the internal networks and connections at Walmart. So they pretty much have everything you need, where there's a new item spec sheet 5.0 compliance requirements that gets you extra SEO and extra SEO boost. And it's telling you how to get that right here. Also, you can implement enhanced brand content, aka A+ content, onto Walmart with this tool, again, for free. So that's just two AIs that are popping up. It also gives you a breakdown, which is much better than Walmart's breakdown of your catalog. But most importantly, your products will show up here. And when you click on one of your products, it's going to look like this, and it's going to show your product, your inventory, all that good stuff. If you click on content, what it can do is generate using AI. Now, this AI is much better than Walmart's AI. It's better than ChatGPT. It actually goes into Walmart's system, okay? And it reviews all of Walmart's policies and makes your title pretty much picture perfect, right? So you definitely want to test this out. It's extremely strong and very powerful for AI. So I just recommend you test it out, right? There's no hurt in trying, just because you'll see when it comes with an AI. And they also have different recommendations. So they have a recommendations tab all the way here to the left. And this is nice as well. And this is by AI, where review suggested keywords for 15 products. And you can do ranks. One keyword can be added to your sponsored ads. So also does sponsored ads. 30 products have less than 5 images or low quality images in Walmart. Look, I mean, it's pretty much going through your stuff, and it's literally knows all of Walmart's policies. It knows exactly Walmart's metrics, what the sizing should be of your images, your title, everything. So it's pretty much one of the best tools out here with Walmart. Now, one of the biggest things is going to be the reports. So you can actually download a Walmart product listing analysis report. You can just click request report and download it. And it's going to look something like this. There you go. And you can see they have the Walmart logo, so I think they're partnered with Walmart, but it's kind of just goes through all of your listings, your listing scores, your content scores, your ratings. You can also take quick actions. I've got 142 quality issues for this client. We've got to step up our game so we can actually look and update those in real time. And it's kind of going through all of the big changes on Walmart and what you need to implement. So it is extremely powerful. One of the most powerful tools I've seen that's free right now. Definitely worth to try out and test out. Again, a link in the description if you wanted to test it out. I don't gain anything from it. But hey, that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact the HP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of the HP Consulting Group. I'm signing out.